Hey guys, taste 2 on the Kraken. Last night's video didn't come out too good, so we're gonna try a fresh one, see if this one comes out any better. Once again, if you guys are filming any of these rides, you're gonna need either the chest mount or you're gonna need a wrist mount for your GoPro, guys. And it is me on the ride here, guys, so bear with me. This is nice and early in the day, so it's something new for me. Usually I go later in the day, so hopefully my stomach doesn't mind this thing. All right, here we go. We're going up. And this thing just keeps going and going and going. And today we got Morgan out here, so Morgan's gonna try to get on some rides. He just didn't want to do this one today, or that big, really big one over there. So let's see how this one works out. All right, here we go. A little better angle today. Woo! And we're going down. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! There we go, and upside down we go. Holy moly! See how this thing comes out.
Inside the station, unfasten your seatbelt and wait for instructions from the